Welcome to a new Stoner Academy video, and you know that this is going to be full of value. What I want to talk about right now is the crazy Facebook streams you've been seeing. Now, mostly these Facebook streams, you'll be seeing them in the past month, in November, where people would just start streaming and your timer would be filled by them. You'd have different types of streams. You'd have Tupac versus Biggie. You have Donald Trump versus Hillary Clinton. And in these streams, I'm not talking about some of your friends just streaming what they're doing in their day. No, I'm talking about these big Facebook pages where they stream a video and you can vote on that video with the reactions, with the Facebook reactions, like with the heart, with the smiling emoji, or with the like button. And when you press that button, it goes on a counter, and that counter is going to increase. In that way, people were able to vote on those streams for what they believed in, essentially. You'd have streams like Donald Trump versus Hillary Clinton, where people would either have to press like so the counter for Donald Trump goes up, or press the love reaction where the counter for Hillary Clinton goes up. What has been happening really? Why were people doing this? And this is the thing a lot of people have to ask themselves when they see a trend like that pop up. And the online marketing community, a lot of people, or at least the first people that really saw this happening, and they really jumped onto that idea and made a killing from it. So essentially, whenever you have a trend like this popping up, you have to be aware of it and you have to be the first one to start implementing it. Now, what I want to explain to you is how you can use those Facebook streams. And I'm going to explain to you how people have been using them so far and how you can make profit out of them. What was happening? People were making obnoxious streams on Facebook and they were getting a ton of social engagement from it, and in return, they were able to set themselves up to be able to make thousands of dollars in the near future. Now, the way they were doing this is with a Facebook fan page. And in the next slide, I think I'll be talking about that. But just to tell you, they were using a Facebook fan page and they were growing that page. So in a way, with the engagement they were getting from the social engagement, they were setting themselves up to be in a position to be able to grow that Facebook fan page a lot faster. In Stoner Academy, we explained how later you can use that Facebook fan page to make a lot of money. But that's not the point of this video. I want to explain to you how you can grow that fan page using those streams. They were making those streams in a way that people can vote on two opposite choices. The trick was to make the streams as black and white as possible so that people will either be voting for one or the other. Now, what I mean by black and white is decisions where you're either for something and against the other. In a way, a dog lover is going to love dogs, and he is going to dislike cats. That's the idea behind it. So you'll see streams like Kobe versus Michael Jordan. You'd see Ronaldo versus Messi. You see cats versus dogs, where people will vote on those. And that's what I mean by black and white. And the more black and white the choice that the people have, the more chances are that they're going to vote on something. The stream creators were later sharing their streams on different groups and pages so that they would get a much higher reach and a lot higher exposure. A lot of streams went viral during the past month, and a lot of people are enjoying the fruits of their labor these days. A few people from the online marketing community, and I talked a little bit about this, caught on to this trend, and the first ones were the ones that were the most successful. Now, you don't see as many people making those streams, which sets you up in a position to be able to make a killing. The only thing you have to do is put your mind into it. Now, because the streams, out of a Facebook algorithm, the streams have really been decreased, the number of streams, and that is really going to put you in a position to be able to make more quality streams. So right now you don't have a lot of competition, but all you need to do is you need to put your mind into it to come up with a stream, to be able to make it and to really let it go viral if it's really good and grow your fan page. Now I'm going to talk about how you can make those streams, and I'm going to explain everything. These days, Facebook is trying to lower the amount of those streams, and I'm not talking about the good streams. there's a difference, because you'd see some streams out there that you just cringe from watching them. You would be saying to yourself, what the fuck are you doing with your time? Because you're truly wasting your time with some streams that you're watching online. Facebook had an algorithm change so that when they find a stream like that, or it has been reported by somebody, they are definitely quick to close the stream and to sometimes unpublish the fan page. So a Facebook fan page can get unpublished by Facebook if Facebook think it's right. If that ever happens to you because of some reason, you can always send them a letter asking for an explanation or to see if you can get your Facebook fan page back. But that's what happened to the bad quality streams. So to counteract that, you're going to put out some quality content on Facebook. It's going to help you and it's going to help people, and it's fun to do it. At the end, I'm going to give you some ideas for how to do it. And basically, if you're one of the first people to watch this video, the bonus that you're going to receive can make you a lot of money. So stick to the end of this video. How people made thousands. People were growing their Facebook fan pages using those streams. Those streams where people vote with Facebook reactions were able to get a ton of social engagement, and in return, their fan page got a ton of exposure and a ton of likes. You might be wondering how a Facebook fan page is going to make you thousands. All of that is explained in stoneracademy.com, but that's not the point of this video. People find different ways to make use of their fan page, and depending on the niche or what the fan page is about, you can use different methods to make money. So if you make a fan page about football, I can't tell you a method to make money with a fan page that is about politics, because they're two different things. So you'd have to really take into consideration what your niche is going to be about and the ways you can make money with that. If you actually grow that fan page, the hardest part will be done, and those streams were a shortcut to growing a fan page. Now, these days, it's a lot harder to grow a fan page, because in the past, whenever you post something, all of the fans that have liked the page are going to see the content, and they might share it or show it to somebody. But now, if let's say you have a fan page and you don't post content on it for a week, or somebody hasn't been liking that content for a long time, they're gonna stop receiving the content that you post on that page, even though they have liked that page. That's the Facebook algorithm that is on right now, and it's getting harder and harder by the day to grow that fan page, and because Facebook wants you to pay for ads. Now, this was the shortcut that people were using to grow that fan page a lot quicker and a lot faster. The types of streams that I saw. There were types of streams that you just have to vote for one or the other, those black and white streams, where with the reaction you're gonna choose either it's gonna be Tupac or Biggie, Michael Jordan or Kobe, streams like that. There were other streams out there where there's gonna be a counter, and that counter is going to go from 3 hours back to 0, and you're gonna have a picture and a description saying, stick with us for these 3 hours and your life is going to change. And in the picture or in the stream, they'd have just a picture that's saying your life is gonna change in ... and the counter. And when that counter finishes, which is going to be 3 hours, then it's going to start either a webinar of some sort, or they're just gonna post a video or something. And people, they're curious and they usually stick with the stream for those 3 hours, which is really strange. And one thing just that I want to tell you about is that the streams are usually 4 hours long. They can't be longer. There were other types of streams where I remember there was, and this was one of the first streams, where you'd have how much money is every sportsman making today. And they'd have Ronaldo, LeBron James, Messi, and they have a roll where they show them how much money they're making today. And the counter is going to keep increasing, in fact showing us how much money each sports person is making today. Then this was the first video that popped up, and it made the guy that actually made the video, his fan page grew a lot, and in my opinion, that guy is a genius. And what he did, he got a video, he downloaded a video of an astronaut fixing a satellite, I think, in space. And that was a pre-recorded video. He downloaded it and he made it so with a program that I'm going to show you in the later part of this video, a program that allows you to stream a pre-recorded video on Facebook. So in fact, I don't know if you noticed, but if some of your friends stream something, it's usually going to pop up in a notification. So that popped up in a notification for everybody. People shared it. A lot of big fan pages shared that video, and his fan page and his video got a lot of reach, a lot of engagement, and a lot of likes. Even though that video was, let's say, fake because it was pre-recorded and it wasn't a live stream, people were still liking it. And I think in one day his fan page went from 0 to 1 million. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna teach you how to make them. I'm gonna teach you how to make the different types, and I'm gonna do it step by step so it doesn't get confusing. You're gonna see live examples of how you can make all of those different types of streams that I just talked about. So continue on to the video. Welcome to the second part of this video by Stoner Academy, and what I want to show you right now is how you can get those pre-recorded videos to stream on Facebook. Now, I'm not going to show you how to actually make those videos because it's going to get really complicated and you're going to need to download software that takes money to buy it actually. And if you already have this software, I'm pretty sure you can look up any video of how to make these videos that you would like. And what video I'm talking about right now is the one video where you have a time code and a timer and it counts down from 3 hours to 0 hours. In Sony Vegas, it's really easy to make them. And if you don't have that software and you don't know anybody that can make that video for you, you can definitely just go to Fiverr.com or to freelancer.com and ask anybody to make that for you. They are really easy to make, and there's no need to pay a lot of money for them. If you have the skills, it's good, you can make them for free. Now, what I wanted to show you here is, now this is an image that I'm supposed to post on the Facebook fan page on stoneracademy.com. And if you want to make a video with a timer, one tip I can give you is make it so that the text here, I'm gonna use this as an example. Let's say it's written on it, time until your life is changed. And here there's gonna be a timer which counts down from 3 hours to 0 seconds. And what that's gonna do is make it suspenseful so that it gets people curious and they want to see what's going to happen. And the more people see it, the more times you share that stream on groups or anywhere that you can, the better, because it's going to get a lot more people engaged and they're gonna start watching that video. And when it's finally over, you're either going to show them a webinar if you have one, and a webinar is where you essentially sell something to them, or you can just add a random video like a friend of mine did. He added a conspiracy video at the end so that people watched it, and if they liked it, they liked his fan page. So that's an idea you can use. Other than that, that's pretty much it about this. And for the other pre-recorded videos, you're going to use a program called OBS, and you can see it down here. And you can get it just by writing on Google OBS, and you can download it for free. And what most people do when they want to make a live reaction video is they usually have an already made image, so that the only thing they are going to need to add are countdown timers. No, not countdown timers, but numbers that go up and down depending on the likes and the emojis or the reactions, sorry. That's about it when you're thinking about that timecode video, when you want to make that timecode video. But if you want to add a pre-recorded video on as a live stream, you're going to need OBS. And right now I'm gonna use this picture of Bill Gates to stream it to Facebook. And what you're going to want to do when you have OBS, you're going to want to go to File, Settings. You're going to go to General, and from here, see as if my configuration is the same as yours. Go to Streaming Services. You're gonna go to Service Facebook Live. You're gonna go to Server Default, and this is the stream key. And where you can get that stream key is when you want to start streaming live on Facebook. And this is how you do it. Let's say I just wanted to stream this. Here's the image. Let's just make it a bit better. And this is what you do. You're gonna go to Facebook, and I already have my Facebook fan page. And you're gonna go to Publishing Tools. From here, you're gonna go and from here you're gonna go to Videos, and what you're gonna do is go live. And right now, this is the stream key that you're going to use. You're gonna go to OBS, you're gonna go File, Settings, you're going to go to Stream, and you're going to paste the stream key here. Apply, okay, and this is what you do next. You click Start Streaming, go to Facebook, click Next. Right now I'm using an image, but it's the same process with a video. You're gonna write the description here, and the video title here. Right now it's fetching the video stream, and here it is, Bill Gates. You're gonna click here, go live, and the stream is going to start. That's the whole process of putting a pre-recorded video on OBS, and this is without the live reactions. In the second part of the video, I'm gonna show you, or not me, but I'm gonna show you a video which explains in depth how to actually make those live reactions, because it's a bit more complicated, but the video is so good that it shows you a really simplified way, because we don't want to confuse you. So watch this till the end, and at the end I'm gonna give you a bonus tip and something that you can start acting on right at the moment after you learn all of this, and you can make it profitable. So as I said, you go live, the stream is going to start, and then what you're gonna do is share it on groups. That is pretty much it about the pre-recorded videos. So right now let's go to the live reaction videos. Now when it comes down to making the live streams with live reactions, I found a good video that explains in depth, step by step, how you can do all of that. Now this is not originally from me, and if you do want to see the original video and see the original channel and subscribe to him, by all means, the channel is going to be in a link in the description. So watch this video, watch it fully, and at the end you're gonna get your own bonus, which you can use to grow your fan page. Learn how you can do it, and later implement the knowledge. So continue viewing.
Hey, what's up guys, this is the Gaming Doctor and welcome to the first how-to video of this channel. Guys, I have decided that I will create a how-to series in this channel, in which I am going to upload some tips and tricks and tutorials for users who are searching for anything. So today's topic is Facebook live reactions on Facebook live videos. Like, we have seen many posts in the election days when Donald Trump and Hillary Clinton, people used to react on it, and the reaction changes live on video to like it was online voting, live voting system. So I have decided to do this on this channel. I'm going to teach you step by step. But if you are not able to do or not able to stream on it and you want someone to do, so you can contact me on my Facebook page. I am leaving my Facebook page, Facebook profile, and my email address down in the description. If you want me to set up this live stream for you, I am going to set up this live stream for you. But without wasting any time, let's do this. So guys, this was the stream last time I was doing a stream of AMD versus Nvidia. I wanted to know which graphic card is most used by users or which one they prefer. So I got more than 175 reactions on that video. So at the end of video there were 72 for Nvidia and 34 for AMD. So the thing is, the 175 reactions are, some reactions were given after the video ended. So when the video ends, then after that no reactions will be counted. So of course the thing which is in live, it will remain live. So first thing you need is an access token for your page so you can get these reactions. So go to developers.facebook.com, and on developers.facebook.com go to create app. There will be a pop-up. You have to name your app. It doesn't matter whatever you give your name, all you need is an access token. So create app ID and then enter captcha. As you will enter captcha, they will create an app and give you an access token for that. To get the access token, you have to go to tools and support. In tools and support, there will be access token tool. Go to access token tool, and then there will be the app name and the app token for which we are using. So copy that, or keep this tab open. Now the second thing is, you need an HTML page. So I am going to upload an HTML page, so you can use that for your projects. This is the page I have created. Now this page is using a background image and then these boxes of like and love. So don't look at the browser that how does it look on this browser, because it doesn't matter how does it look on this browser. The main thing is the software we will be using will put this web page all together nicely. So do not worry about the resolution here. Now the third thing you need is an open broadcast of software, but before that let me show you the HTML page. This is the HTML page. If you are a graphic designer or web designer, you might be familiar with these, but if you are not, then you have to ask someone. You can ask me if you want to design your page. So in this you have to add access token. Here I have written there. You have to copy this access token and paste it over here. So I'm going to paste it, and then after pasting, now second thing you need, this is your access token, and then second thing you need is a post ID. So post ID will be available once we go live on our page. So first, to go live, you have to download this project, this software, open broadcast software. This is free software. You can download it from its website. Currently I have downloaded and installed, so I don't need to download it. So when you open this software, you will get this screen. So there will be no scenes in this screen. You have to add scene, name your scene, whatever you have to name the scene. I am naming my reactions. Okay, and then in this you have to add source, what you have to stream. So go to CLR browser, which will browse our HTML page. Now here you have to put the path of that HTML file, the friends.html file. So here is friends.html file. You have to open this file. You have to keep the dimensions 1920 by 1080. So it looks perfect in this. To test what we are seeing, what viewers will see, you have to preview the stream. So ignore this. Now see, this page goes way out of my stream layout. So what you have to do is right click on the screen, go to position and size, and fit the screen. Now currently I am recording with other software as well, so it might take 2-3 times, but once you will do once and it will come like this. You can see our page is ready and looks perfect. So you can stop preview now, because now you can see there are no counts over here. So to get the counts, we have to go live on our page. So go to your page, and above tabs you have to click publishing tools. In publishing tools you have to go to videos, and then in videos you have to start a new live. There is a plus live button over there. You have to click that, and then you will get these details. These details are important because these details you are going to add in OBS to stream on this page. So copy these details. I'm going to copy stream key and paste it in settings, broadcast settings, in this tab, broadcast setting, and then over here play path / stream key, you have to paste this stream key. FMS URL remains same as always for Facebook, so no need to change that again and again. Apply and then okay. So your stream is ready to go. So come in your page, go to next, and then name your live stream about what is your live stream about. So I'm going to name it like money versus love, and then I'm going live. Then you have to go to start streaming. Click on start streaming to start the stream on your channel. Again, ignore this, you will not get these issues. I am currently recording with recorder, so there are some issues. Now you can see there are no counts over here yet. So as we started streaming, Facebook already started fetching the video stream, and see we are getting live stream on our page. You have to go live, and as you will go live, we will get the post ID from which we will get the reactions. So wait for it. To get the page ID, post ID, on this page you have to click on view permalink and right click on it and copy the link address and paste it over anywhere and get this ID. This ID is the post ID which you have to put it in HTML page over here. Right, as you will post this here, you have to save the page, go back to OBS, no need to stop the stream, right click on CLR browser, go to properties and click OK, and it will automatically refresh the page. Now you can see we have got the counts 0 and 0, which means there are no yet reactions on our live stream yet. But how you will know? We will go to our stream and react on it to know that is it working or not. So let's go to our stream, and there we go. Now I'm going to like this stream, so it must add 1 over there. As you can see, it will, and see it comes as I reacted on my video, it appears over here. Now of course the stream is always 5 to 8 seconds delayed over streaming, so it will take time on to come over here, but eventually it will come. So wait for it, and you can see it came over here as well. So as people will react to it, it will automatically increase. But if people will react other than these 2 reactions, then it will not count. But if people will like or love your post, it will increase. So you can see this is as simple as that. You can clearly create trending topics or pick any election topics, anything else you want to put. But you can see this is the easiest way to get what I was talking about. And yes, if you like the video, please give a big thumbs up, it will help me a lot. Subscribe to my channel. I do how-to videos, I do gaming videos and many other different stuff. If you want to stay updated with all the new videos, you must hit the subscribe button down there. Click on my logo, you will get the subscribe button, and then I'm going to see you in the next one. Till then, take care of yourself, and this is the Gaming Doctor signing out.
Now that you have an idea of how those streams work and what you can do with them, how you can grow your fan page, here I want to give you a business idea that you can use to grow your fan page. Now, this idea, let's say there's a game between the Lakers and the Cleveland Cavaliers, and people want to vote who is the MVP. Now you can make a live stream with live reactions where people vote who will be the MVP. Will it be LeBron, Kyrie Irving, Brandon Ingram, anybody? And you can make a whole fan page just based out of those live streams. You can post live streams with soccer, with football, with basketball, baseball, anything like that. Now, this idea, this is going to be shared with a lot of people, as you can see. So the faster you start acting upon it, the better. The sooner you start working on it, the sooner you start releasing those streams, the better. You can grow that fan page and later make it into a really profitable source. See what you can do. So, until next time, Storm Academy off.